Welcome! If you're looking to tidy up your Instagram profile and want to remove specific stories from your highlights, you're in the right place. Whether you've changed your mind about a story or just want to keep your highlights fresh, I'll walk you through the updated steps to delete stories from your Instagram highlights quickly and easily. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now that you're on your profile page, you'll see your highlights displayed just below your bio. These are the circles that contain all the stories you've chosen to keep on your profile. Tap on the highlight that contains the story you want to remove. Once the highlight opens, you can scroll through the stories it contains. Find the specific story you want to delete from the highlight. When you're on that story, look for the three dots icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on those three dots to open a menu of options. From the menu, select Remove from Highlight. Instagram will ask you to confirm your choice. Tap Remove to confirm, and just like that, the story will be deleted from your highlight. Don't worry, this action only removes the story from the highlight. It won't delete the story from your archive, so you can always add it back later if you change your mind. That's all it takes. You can repeat these steps for any other stories you want to remove from your highlights. Keeping your highlights organized is a great way to make your profile look clean and up to date. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, be sure to like and subscribe for more simple Instagram tips and tricks. See you in the next video.